Finding a friend. It was a beautiful, sunny summer day. Molly decided to walk to the park to play with her friends. When she arrived, no one was there, so she looked around everywhere. She kept looking, no one was there. After looking around the park for so long, she felt sad, very sad. She had no one to play with now. The playground was so empty and lonely. Where was everybody? No one in sight. Suddenly, she heard something. It sounded like a puppy. Bark, bark, bark. He was black and small and so cute. He had a collar on his neck. Was he lost? Molly was happy to have a friend to play with now. Vocabulary and sentences. Park. Children play at the park. Playground. There is a playground at the park. Lonely. The girl was lonely with no friends. Empty. There was no one at the park. It was empty. Around. I looked around to see everything. Collar. The dog had a collar on its neck. Easy English Cafe. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.